Okay guys, so in this section we will learn about how we can use network penetration via your Wi-Fi interface card. Okay, so what is happening here in your Kali box is that you can't see a Wi-Fi button here, right? Like if you can see in on my Windows, I have a Wi-Fi button, but I don't have a Wi-Fi button inside a VM virtual machine. Okay, but because we have set up our Kali Linux to use NAT, okay, NAT system, NAT networking, so that's why we have this ETH0 and we have the iNet and it gives us the IP address. So this is being used right now to browse the internet. Okay, but we have to use Wi-Fi. So how do we need how we are going to use Wi-Fi in our virtual box? Okay, so for that you have to buy a external Wi-Fi uh, interface card. Okay, so you can search on Amazon and buy one for your PC. Okay, so uh, I I I I think that's a hectic job if you want to buy, or you had to just wait for some time and then just resume the course. Okay, so you can, but if you don't want, I have a hack for it. So what it is, first of all, if you buy a if you are going to buy a network interface card, or you have already, what you are going to do is you plug it in your PC, and before starting the uh, Kali machine, you have to go to devices, and you have to go to the USB section and go to USB settings. And this is disabled right now because my Kali is running right now. So what you will do is you will select USB 2.0, and you will connect your Wi-Fi interface card, and then click on the plus button, and here you will see your external Wi-Fi card. But I can't right now because I have already started my PC. So you have to click on this, then enter, and okay. So will here you will see another option called Wi-Fi. Whatever the card name will be here, and you can browse the internet from it directly from your virtual box. Now if you don't want to buy a networking for interface card and you want to use your own interface card for doing this stuff, okay, so what you will do is you will go to internet, okay, and download. I will show you what you have to do. Just follow along and do whatever I'm doing. Okay, so you go to a search engine. For example, let's go to Google and search for Kali download. Okay, yeah, I know you have already downloaded it, but I will show you how to use it for as a live machine. Okay, so you have to go to this section. I know you have downloaded this one earlier, but I'm talking about live boot. Okay, what we will do is we will boot from a USB device. Okay, your main device will boot from a USB device. So how you are going to do that is, first of all, you should have a USB device. Okay, whether it be a pen drive, uh, be it 8 GB, 64 GB, any pen drive will work. Okay, so what you have to do is, first of all, uh, download the live boot version of the Kali Linux. Now you have to click on this and click on download. Okay, and it will start downloading. It will have an ISO file, and after that you have to go to Rufus for Windows. Okay, download, and it will just load up a website. So you can see this is rufus.ie, and go to Rufus and just go to download the file. Okay, here it is showing the download button here, Rufus 3.22 MB, and download the Rufus. And after downloading the Rufus, you will have an interface like this. Okay, so what you are going to do is you have to select a device, whatever the pen drive you have, you connect it to the PC, and you will see the device here. Okay, just click on the list and give the pen drive and select the pen drive. Okay, but whether it be 32 GB, 64 GB, 8 GB will work too. Okay, after that you have to select the ISO file you had downloaded. Okay, when you have when the download completes, the download from this one the download from this completes it in, you should have an ISO file. You have to select that ISO file here, and then if you want persistence, what does persistence mean? Persistence means if you're using your live machine and you say something in your live machine, okay, and then you shut down the PC and then restart, it will be there. But in case of the live PC, whatever you are doing will be lost after you remove the pen drive and shut down the PC. And after you just restart the PC, you will have nothing. You will have like a new PC, new Kali Linux setup. Okay, so to add persistence, you got to do this. Okay, you have to add more, at least 15 GB of storage. So that's why you need a 32 GB file if you are going to use as a live um, only, and you don't need a persistence. So you can also use a lesser pen drive size. Okay, you have to select the partition size to 15 and partition scheme to be MBR, that's master boot record, and target system to be BIOS or UEFI. Okay, and then you have to click start, and after this happens and it completes, you will get your website bootable. You will get your bootable pen drive. Okay, so after that what you have to do is you have to go to your BIOS menu. Okay, you have to shut your PC down. uh, uh, Usually BIOS menu can be opened by F2, or you can check on Google and search. For example, if you have a Lenovo laptop, Lenovo laptop, okay, Lenovo laptop BIOS key. Okay, just search this. Okay, here you have to enter your PC's name and enter BIOS key. Okay, so it's showing me that BIOS key is F2. So what you have to do is when you uh, click on the uh, start button, when this when you're booting up the PC, you click on the start button, right? You click on the start button and start pressing F2, and then there will be a BIOS menu. It looks like something like this. Okay, it's mainly blue, but if you have a gaming PC or something, you might have MSI or something, whatever your motherboard comes along with. Okay, then you have to go to startup, and then you have to choose the USB, or make it higher, make it a higher choice to boot. Okay, if you have set it up hard disk, you have to first select USB then hard drive. Okay, you can search on Google how to do that. It's a basic task and you can do it easily. I'm just telling you to get the hold of it. What you would do is enter the PC and just log in as a live boot of Kali and start using Kali as it is installed on your PC. Just don't install it, just use it as the live persistence mm, device. After that, you can see here will be your Wi-Fi card. Okay, so I will start the next video from my live persistence setup. So let's go to my live setup. Okay, let's hit in the video. Thanks.